In this lesson, we're going to work on a growing pattern, and we're going to find the next row of the growing pattern. So if we have a problem like this that says what row comes next in the pattern, we can see the pattern is made up of pink diamonds and turquoise or blue circles. So first thing to do is to count the number of diamonds in each row. This one has 1, this one has 2, this has 1, 2, 3, this has 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's number those. Okay? 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So step 2 is to now decide how many diamonds in the next row. We can see that each row, the number of diamonds increases by 1. We could see 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can see that the next row will have 5 diamonds in the next row, right? So this is how it would look. And that's how you figure out that kind of problem. And don't worry if you don't understand it right away. You could just rewatch the video. Anyone can do this. You could also take a look at the description below. There's links there to other videos of mine that are like this. If you need extra help, check one of those out. As well, you could download the ebook. The ebook has this exact lesson in it, and you could follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.